Are you shocked to see chaos at the movies lately? Blame Minecraft's chicken jockey moment. Let's break down this viral madness. So here's the deal. Dropped, and Jack Black's Steve yells, "Chicken jockey on screen." That's when things get crazy. People, especially teens, are losing it during that scene. First it was cheering, then tossing popcorn. Now, ices, salsa, sometimes even glass bottles are flying. Theaters had to step in. Some are posting warnings, making adults chaperone minors, and even calling the police. The director thinks it's hilarious, but theater staff, not so much. So, next time you see a chicken jockey, maybe just clap and keep your snacks to yourself. Stay safe, and keep it fun.